morning, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back. So today naman guys, we are going to explore what is algebra. Siyempre, puzzle siya, di ba? Think of algebra as a puzzle, right? Instead of just using number, we use letter, like X or Y. What is X? Ano nga ba ang kahulugan ng X? X called as a variable. We have subtraction here and bring down 8. Then, ang gagawin mo dyan is, bring down x equals, syempre, 26 minus 8, which is 18 siya. And this is your final. O, diba? Ang dali niya lang, guys. And, I have another example for this. Kunyari, ganito. Ganito yung ginawa nyo, guys. Mali yan. Hindi ganyan. Yung iba kasi nakita ko, ganyan daw. Mali. Same ano lang siya dito, oh. Gayahin mo lang yan, oh. Bring down mo yung ano, x. Tapos yun. Ilagay mo dito yung 16. I-minus mo lang yung 9. Oh, x. Ito na yung final answer niya, guys. Oh, di ba? Ang final answer niya, syempre, 7. Oh, that's the final answer. So, dito naman, guys, we have 10 plus x equals to 4. Paano nga siya? Ganito siya, guys. Bring down x here again. And 40. Siyempre, pag positive yung dyan, magiging negative yan. 40 minus 10, siyempre. O, madali na lang to, guys. 30. Another example, we have, kunyari, 20. 20 plus and x equal to, anong pwede? Malaki-laki. O, sige, sabihin natin 50. O, 50. Minus natin, wag na, mamaya na yun. Sige. Ang una natin gagawin is x, bring down x again. Equals to 50, syempre. Positive, magiging negative. 20. Panggulo si Mingming, guys. Yan yung final answer. Equal to 30, syempre. That's the final answer. Dito, paano naman kung negative siya? Same lang sila. Positive at saka negative lang ang nag-iba. Bring down x again, guys. Equals 18. Syempre, negative yan, kaya magiging positive yan. Plus 4. X, bring down x, then 22. Tama po ba? Another example. X. Minus 13. Sige, 13 plus equals, anong pwede? 4. 4 na lang. Bring down x again. Equal 4. Syempre, negative ulit to. Plus mo yan. Anong pwede? 13. 13 pala yung andun. Sorry. I-add mo lang tong dalawang to, guys, which is 17 yan. Tama? Ang pinagkaiba ng 2 tsaka 3 is the negative and positive. Yung plus and negative. Ay, plus and minus. Yun yung pinagkaiba nila. Same lang sila pero iba lang yung nasa middle. Tama? Ito yung pinakamahirap sa part na to, guys. Pero pag natutunan mo to, madali lang to. Copy mo yung 10. 10x. Anong gagawin natin? Equal mo yan, guys. 18. Pagkatapos ng 10x ulit, bring down 10x ulit, guys. Dito may addition na to, guys. Ay, may division. Siyempre, mahirap-hirap to, guys. Kaya, please, equal mo yan. Bago ka mag 10x ulit dyan, guys, is we need to follow. Kapag positive to, magiging negative yan. 18 minus 6, 12. Diba? That's the final answer. Pero hindi pa tapos diyan, guys. Kasi nga po, kapag 10x, i-copy mo yung 10x, 10x again, then yung 12, 12x, and 10x. Cancel this one. 12 divided by 10. Ito. Ang final answer niyan is 1.2. This is the final answer, guys. Thank you. Okay na? I hope you understand this simple algebra, guys.